Welcome to BYSA Express Facial Protocol. Service duration time 35 minutes. Supplies needed 8 4x4 aesthetic wipes, 2 Q-tips, 2 cotton rounds, 1 extractor, 2 fan brushes, 1 water bowl, 1 product palette, 3 facial softy microfiber towels, 2 white facial towels, 1 flat sheet, 1 head wrap, 1 spa wrap, 1 blanket, and 1 bolster. Products needed: makeup remover, cleanser, exfoliant, custom mask, toner, serum, eye serum/cream, moisturizer, SPF, lip treatment. Essential oils optional. Equipment needed: facial bed, steamer, mag lamp, and hot towel cabinet. Step 1. Turn on steamer to medium output. Begin by applying 2 to 3 drops of essential oils into palm of hands. Rub hands together under steam to begin the aromatherapy inhalation process. You may gently press hands into the client's temples and shoulders. Then cup hands over client's face, and client may take 1 to 2 deep breaths of the essential oils to begin the aromatherapy journey. Begin the pre-cleanse process by applying a warm towel to the client's skin. Remember to always test the temperature of the towel before applying to the skin. Wrap the hot towel gently around the client's face to ensure that the skin is warmed and prepped for the first cleanse. Begin your first cleanse by applying a pea-sized amount of cleanser to the palm of your hands. Warm cleanser in hands by rubbing hands together, and then begin your cleansing manipulations using effleurage, petrissage, and friction movements for 2 to 3 minutes. Begin your first rinse by saturating 2 4x4 aesthetic wipes into warm water. Remember to wring out wipes before applying to client skin. Ensure cleanser is thoroughly removed before moving on. Step 2. Begin your second customized cleanse by applying a pea-sized amount of targeted cleanser into the palm of your hands. Warm cleanser in hands by rubbing hands together, and then begin your cleansing manipulations using effleurage, petrissage, and friction movements for 2 to 3 minutes. Begin your second rinse by saturating 2 4x4 aesthetic wipes into warm water. Remember to wring out the aesthetic wipes before applying to client's skin. Step 3. Turn off steamer and begin your skin analysis by applying damp cotton rounds as eye pads to client's eyes prior to turning on your mag lamp. Once the mag light is on, you can begin a thorough analysis of the skin using the phases method. Feel the skin, look at texture, temperature, elasticity. Assess skin type, look for dry, oily, combination, sensitive. Check for conditions such as acne, rosacea, pigmentation, dehydration. Evaluate lifestyle and habits such as diet, smoking, sleep, products used. See visually, look for visible signs like broken capillaries, wrinkles, dullness. Step 4. Turn steamer back on to a medium output and begin by choosing the appropriate exfoliation method for client, such as an enzyme or scrub. Apply with fan brush to the entire face and neck. Allow the exfoliation product to steam for up to 5 minutes, checking for signs of erythema or discomfort. Always remember to check in with client and ask them how they are tolerating the exfoliation process on a scale of 1 to 5. If there is high client discomfort, remove exfoliation product immediately. Gently remove the exfoliation product with a warm towel, remembering to always test the temp of the towel prior to applying on client's skin. Step 5. Turn off steamer. Reapply dampened eye pads to client's eyes. Turn on mag lamp. Then begin by performing a skin analysis and proceed with extractions only if properly trained. Extractions may be safely performed after exfoliation for up to 7 minutes. Step 6. Choose appropriate customized mask and begin by applying mask with fan brush using gentle strokes, ensuring you cover the entire face and neck area. Perform a hand and arm massage on both arms while the mask is setting. Let the mask set for up to 7 minutes. Step 7. Gently remove mask with hot towel. Remember to always test the temperature of the towel prior to applying directly to client skin. Apply facial mist and slash or toner approximately 8 to 10 inches above the client's face. Step 8. Apply appropriate customized facial serum and slash or spot treatment to the skin for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. Step 9. Apply eye cream with ring fingers to the eye area for approximately 1 minute. Step 10. Apply customized facial cream slash moisturizer to the face and neck using a flurry movements for approximately 2 minutes. Step 11. Apply SPF 15 or greater to the entire face for approximately 1 minute. Step 12. Lastly, apply a small amount of lip treatment to a Q-tip, and then apply that product directly onto upper and lower lip area, approximately 1 minute. This completes the BYSA Express Facial Protocol.